with static sounds, and I crawl back into my shell. Half hope, half prayer, half spell. Maybe I can try again. Maybe I can fly again. Used to know my way around the dark. Now I trip over every spark. The mirror shows a haunted hue, a face that's mine but cracked in two. Everyone says this is growing, but it feels more like decay. They don't see me folding quietly day by day. I'm a broken butterfly, wings bent, heart open wide. Feet feel frazzled on the ground, antennae buzz with static sounds, and I crawl back into my shell. Half hope, half prayer, half spell. Maybe I can try. Maybe I can fly again. No shame in rewinding, no sin in retreat. Some miracles happen in the smallest of sleeps. I'm a broken butterfly, still here, still worth the try. Not graceful, but I've got grace, a messy heart in a holy place. So I crawl back into